How to fix Instagram camera glitch on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera glitch on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here for your Instagram, and if that doesn't fix it or you can't find any update, and then just go to settings, go to battery, make sure your Instagram, make sure power saving mode is disabled, and that's it. Then restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and if that doesn't fix it and you have an Android phone, go to apps and then apps again, type here Instagram and click on it, then click force stop and go to permissions, give it all of those permissions, and if you have an iPhone, all you need to do just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and make sure your software is updated, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.